I literally have paint all over my hands. Okay, so today we're going to be doing an acrylic pour. We have all our supplies. I didn't really like what I did on this canvas, so we're going to pour over it. I have glue. I have all my colors. Bruh. I have silicone, pouring medium, and then I also have white, and I have a bunch of little cups right here that we're going to mix the colors in. With this, I also have a little bit of sparkles to put in the gold paint, so we're going to do that, but okay. Let's get started. So this is how I layered them in there, just so when I pour it, kind of has like a bit of a wave to it. So this is just to really help the paint flow. You don't need like a whole lot, but it's gonna spread it around. You really don't have to do this step. I tried it without doing it. Just thought I might as well, but okay. 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 So like I said, I am actually pretty happy with this. It looks really, really cool. Let me turn on some better lights. It looks really cool. The gold I wish looked a little bit different, but once I let it dry, I'm gonna put some resin on it and little gold flakes to really emphasize the gold. So, okay guys, so it's the next day. This is what it looks like. It's dry, nice and dry. So we're gonna put on a nice glossy layer. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I have my resin right here. Just a cup to mix it in. And then I also have these extra fine glitter. It's like kind of iridescent to put in the resin. Just, you know, give it an extra shine because why not? Okay. So that's enough. It has to be equal amounts, so I was just checking. I'm just kind of winging it. Okay, and then now I'll mix it first and then put this in. I'm gonna add some of this sprinkles. That's weird. I just call them sprinkles. Okay. Sparkles. That was a lot. Gonna keep mixing. I definitely put way too many sparkles in, but it's fine. Oh my god, this is really hurting my arm. Okay, you know what? I think that's good. It looks really pretty. You can't really see it. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Definitely should not have used this now that I think about it, but it's fine. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this like gold foil. I think I should use a stick, but we're just gonna But, okay, this is hard. Okay, now you can actually see what I'm doing. Anyways. Literally.
That's just great.
I don't feel like doing it anymore. Alright, this is the finished product. Wow, it looks so pretty.